In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add status in ClickUp. If you've ever wondered how to clearly show where a task stands, this walkthrough is for you. Statuses are a simple, powerful way to communicate progress, reduce back and forth, and keep your entire team aligned. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be confident updating task statuses from list view and from within the task itself, so everyone can see what's in motion, what's blocked, and what's done. Let's start at the very beginning. Open your browser and head over to the official ClickUp website. If you're not already signed in, you'll be prompted to log in. Enter the email associated with your account, and then your password. Take a quick moment to make sure you've got the right email selected and that caps lock isn't accidentally on. A small check here can save you from login hiccups. Once your credentials are in, click the Login button. You'll land on your ClickUp dashboard. Think of this as your control center, where you can jump to recent tasks, docs, notifications, and the workspaces and spaces you use day to day. To get oriented, head to Home or Overview so you can quickly reach the space or project where you want to work. In the sidebar, open your team space, then navigate to the specific project or list that needs a status update. Spaces help you separate work by team or department, while projects and lists group related tasks into a focused view, making it easy to zero in on what matters. Once you're in the right place, switch to List View if you aren't there already. List View lays out your tasks in rows, which makes it fast to add new tasks and update statuses at a glance. If you need a new task for this demo, click Add Task. Give it a clear name so it's easy to recognize later. You can add more details later if you want, but for now, we'll focus on the status. Now, look at the left side of the new task row. You'll see a small circle or status pill. That's your status control. Click it to open the status menu. You'll see the available status options configured for this list or project. These might include labels like New, To Do, In Progress, Review, or Closed. But keep in mind that every team can customize the names and colors, so your menu may look a bit different. Choose In Progress to show that work has started. You'll notice the status indicator updates instantly, and the task now visually reflects its stage. That quick change signals to your teammates that the task is actively being worked on, without you needing to leave a comment or send a message. Let's switch it again so you can see how fluid this is. Click the status indicator one more time and select To Do. This sets the task back to a not yet started state, which can be helpful if you accidentally marked it too soon or if the work needs to be rescheduled. If your workflow includes a new status, you can use that to indicate a freshly created task that hasn't been triaged yet. The key idea is to pick the option that best matches your team's process, keeping status labels consistent so everyone interprets them the same way. There's also a second way to update a task's status, and it's great when you're already working inside the task details. Click the task name to open the task window. This view is where you'll add descriptions, comments, attachments, and assignments. But right now, we're focusing on the status. Near the top of the task window, look for the status field. It's usually next to the task title or just underneath it. Click that field and choose a new status from the list. For example, if you've wrapped up the work and it's truly complete, select Closed. You'll see the task update right away. And depending on your setup, it may also move to a Done or Closed grouping automatically in your list. A couple of helpful tips as you use statuses day to day. First, try to update the status at the moment your work changes stage. That real-time accuracy gives your teammates an up-to-date picture without needing to ask for an update. Second, if your team uses a specific set of status definitions, like To Do for queued work, In Progress for active work, Review for work,